What's up again, it's Zach. Second video, same day, a few minutes later. Yeah, my cat, Dusty. Yeah, jump off. Yeah, ooh, ball, hold on a second. This ball, yeah, look at this one. Ow. That hit my foot. Hey, look, another ball. Look, little ball. Yeah, watch this. Ready? Ready? Watch. Alright, so, I don't know why I'm outside right now. I guess I don't want my mom to hear my first video or my second video. She might think I'm talking to myself, and yeah, it might be weird. But I might be doing this out in the rain one day, or during a tornado, or, I don't know, hurricane or something. So, yeah. This is my second video. Oh, I want to review something. If you go look up this video, Ray William Johnson. Yeah, this is a shout for you. You're freaking awesome. I love your videos. The one with strippers and stuff, that one is funny. You gotta go watch that. What else I gotta say? Oh yeah, if you have ever seen a, I don't want to say this in a racist way, a person from across the country and it's place that has M and it ends with the O, that's mowing lawns and has a beat up van at a house that doesn't even need mowed or to be at, leave a comment or creative response below. Yeah, he's retarded. Okay, so that's all I gotta say today. Bye.